If some applications does not show on the home screen, and if you can't open it from search also, then let us see what to do. For example, I know that I have Facebook installed in my phone, but I don't see the icon on the home screen anywhere here, and if I try to search it, I can't see it. But if I go to Google Play Store and if I look for Facebook application here, I can see and I can open it from here. So in this case, what you need to do is you have to tap and hold on the home screen for a few seconds. After that, select settings, go to this option, hide apps on home and apps screen. And if you see here, right now, Facebook app is hidden. So you have to remove this tick mark and then done. So once you do it, you should be able to see Facebook icon on the home screen like this one. Now you can open it from here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips.